seaters he carry? Yeah, me and the foreigner. Esther foreigner, daddy's foreigner.
Russia, them come from?
Russia. Where you come from? Russia?
Alright.
Yeah, and Israel. Yeah, so $15,000 a year for Miss Valerie from Anonymous.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. And
Anonymous.
Anonymous. Anonymous.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for the 15,000.
Gone overboard and me still there with the team. They are seeing me, brother. You get me? And may I tell you, and you might not know, we help me love you in a key in a bridge because you do a good work. The place is just nice. You know, the place nice. We see it, you know. You see it? And it's a key part because we don't own our same
Of
way.
course.
You see it?
Yes.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Blessed love to all, blessed love. So, welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica. Welcome back. So we on another mission today. So today we're gonna get a mattress for the worship mother. You know, the worship mother was asking for a mattress because the doctor recommended that the mattress that he's sleeping on is giving her that back problem. So today we're on that mission, right? So so that's what we're gonna do today. You know, alright, man. That's what we're gonna do today, get a mattress. So guys, remember whenever you're watching, please to put the thumbs up. You know, always remember to put the thumbs up when you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica. That is the golden rule, to smash that like button. You know, put the thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, so we're here today. We're gonna get a mattress, and we also have to drop off something for the golden age as well too. Wow, the sun is bright today. Yeah, so we're here. What the worship then? Whoa! Yeah, so we're gonna get the mattress for the worship mother today. And then we're gonna drop off a suitcase. So we have a suitcase with some female and male underwear for the golden age as well. So we're gonna head to the golden age and drop off that, and drop off also a donation for them. You know, and just get the ball rolling. Yeah, it's been hectic. So I want to thank all our new subscribers, all our new donors, our donors, we call them an extended family. So you are now an extended family. So we thank all our extended families for donating and contributing towards the need of the people in Trenchtown. You know, so we thank you so much. it means so much to us. You know, so thank you so much for the support, and guys, remember, keep supporting. Also put the likes, put the thumbs up, you know, whenever you're watching. That also support the program to grow to new audience, because YouTube promote it that way, you know. Here, Wembe. Yeah, so YouTube. So that's why YouTube will promote your channel. When them see you getting a lot of likes, them like, okay, this is something good. People keep on liking it. So while people keep on liking, YouTube will continue to promote it, you know, and that's how it goes, you know. Just always remember to put the thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy it. I know sometimes it's joyful and sometimes it's sad, you know. That's how it goes when you're watching Keenan Life in Jamaica. You get the joy, you get the sadness. You know, the sadness to see what people is really going through here in Georgetown. You know, we got the joy part of it, you know, the entertainment. But, you know, it's a bit of both. So always brace yourself. It's either for entertainment or either for sadness. So we have it here same way. So just keep supporting and keep watching Keenan Life in Jamaica. So we're here in Georgetown. Shara! We're here in Georgetown. So guys, so if most of you lot come now. So most of you lot would have been watching and probably want to know where Keenan's from in Georgetown. I highlighted many times already, you know. I highlighted many times. This is where I used to live. This is my yard here. This is where I used to live. So you're looking at Keenan's yard right now, you know. So this is where I was living, right here in this yard. Where the zinc fence is, my grandma was living right there. So me and my mom and my dad and my sister was living right here in this shed. Right there. You know, my grandma was living right next door there. So yes guys, so we're gonna go on the road to get the mattress for the wall. Oh chef, I get the mattress for your mother.
Yeah, man.
We'll drop out a suitcase first up We'll drop out a suitcase first up a golden age.
Oi! Right out.
God damn.
I'm going to post on there.
Yeah. For a golden age.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Derby. You want to bring it around there, sir?
Yeah.
Come on. Feel like sleeping. I'm tired. Oi, working very hard in the Derby. Yeah, it's not right. Sleeping on my eyes right now. Yeah. I have to give thanks. I need a good sleep. Alright, so Derby, we have some
Come on, I tell party.
Which part you wanted? Oh, chef, go on the next part around there, so on a table part. Yes, hungry.
Alright, sir.
Yes, sir. If you lie down so you can see what I want. Oh, okay. We have some female underwear and male underwear. All brand new and socks and everything. So this is coming from the USA, this suitcase. Just touched down, you know. See a brand new socks and everything. As you can see, a lot of socks, you know, for the golden age, for the L of them. Say both white and everything. Yeah. Yes. So you have the underparts them and compass and everything. You know, you have wipes. It's a nurse pin.
Variety, I think.
Variety. Loaded, and this is coming from Pat.
But
Yes, from Florida. And you also have more compass as well too, and
I
apart.
want to take them out and put them on the table.
Now we get the suitcase too, so
Suitcase, okay.
yeah, so you can have the suitcase to keep them in.
Okay, that's very good.
Yes, so that is well said. So we will give thanks to Pat. You know, been watching the program, you know, and she trying to reach out to give her helping hand from Florida. So you can thank her.
Okay. Yeah, alright, Sister Pat, yeah. We here at this Avashada Golden Age home in Trencham, we always appreciate Kina when you bring things to this home here, what you people always send for us. Cause as I can see, all what in this suitcase, what the home need, like pampers and all kind of things. So we appreciate that very much, because this home is just a little home in Trencham where we really say that's where we really try our best to take care of the health of the people there. Where actually through political violence, you know, enough of them family run away and leave them alone. So we are here who try to help them. So at all time when you people send things come at this home and sent by Kino, we always get it. So we would like to thank you very much for all of this stuff here.
Yes, I'll give thanks.
Okay. I want to thank you for it.
And she also sent $50 here as well too.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is $50 in the US.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's $2, $20 and $10.
Okay. Yeah, well,
from Pat.
Yeah, well, we appreciate this a lot, Sister Pat, and we always appreciate everything anyone sent to this home. Cause as you see, this home is just a home in Trencham where we are trying to do our best to take care of people. And we even have some other people who would like to say hello to, but I don't know if you can say it by your phone here, you know?
Yeah, man, you can say it here.
Like some people in England, like Auntie Polly, and also Miss Monique, and those people who always look out for us here at the Irish and the Golden Age home. And as other day we tell about some people in Canada, myself and they always support this home here. And we thank them very much, because what really happened, this home is just a little home where we as youngster inside here try to do our best. Because even me here, you know, I volunteer really around this home 38 years. And now we are trying our best to keep it alive, you know. So we thank her very much. And we're today Bob Marley month too, you know.
Yes, Bob Marley month.
Yeah, we get her very much.
So we have another donation as well too. From ND from the USA, $8,000. $8,000 so you can 31 so that's $8,000 from ND.
And I can tell them, say, them donation will be well spent at this Irish and the Golden Age home, because there is something we want to do here, you know. But as we go along, we take our time and deal with it, you know. So we really appreciate all of what you people out there do, and we know you are in the cold. We are struggle hard and I find it hard. So when you send your thing here, you send your thing to a worthy cause.
Yes,
Because
sir.
we will deal with it the right and proper way for these elderly person here. So you don't have to have no fear of nothing, you know, so we appreciate that part. And the donors, what you say a while ago?
ND.
ND, yeah.
Yeah.
We
From the
ND.
USA, yeah.
Okay, we thank you ND for this contribution. And this will go a long way here at the home here. Because you see, as us we are dealing with it privately, we don't really get no support from government as
Yeah.
such. So anything we get here, we appreciate it very much. And I thank you. And Kino, you do a good job, yeah?
Yeah, man. Just like you, man. I will give thanks.
Okay, yeah, man, and that we are here for, you know, Kino.
Yes, I.
Because it's a short period of time we are there, yeah, then we disappear.
Alright.
You understand?
That's
Yeah, man, okay.
Alright then. So go and take it easy, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, bro.
And then keep your back posted.
Respect, man. Yeah,
Alright then. Big up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright then. Cool. Alright then. Come in. Let's go. Alright, so we'll give thanks. Yeah, man. So we'll give thanks to ND
One of this
and
day,
Pat.
one of this day, me, Bonaparte, got turned around award, your teamwork, a very good offer.
Yes, alright then. I appreciate it.
Yes, I'm a lucky fellow, you know, when I walk up on the mountain.
Yes.
I see what your team are doing. That's what I mean.
Yes, yes, yes.
I try to uplift the community and try to watch what I'm now. Bob Marley Mountain, nothing we have to really keep inside here, can't keep inside here through the violence. You understand? Yeah. I'm say I try to organize and I try to get things inside here.
yes.
Very good. Yeah, man, you know. I just say go key, you know.
Yeah, man.
I
We'll
just give
continue
strength.
seeing you.
Strength. Yes, sir.
Every time.
All right, my brother.
Yes. Alright, so we'll give thanks to Pat.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much, Pat. You know, also ND for the donation as well. So we thank you so much for helping out the golden age. Alright, bless it.
Yeah.
Alright, then. Thank you so much for helping out the golden age, you know. So let's continue to help out each other, you know, let's continue to fuel this engine, you know, because once they keep fuel the engine, we will definitely continue to do the work. We're in the dream team, you know, because they can see the elders are here and the elders are need. Alright, yeah, man. Yeah, man. So just continue supporting us, you know, on this journey, you know, as I say. There's so much here in need, you know. It's not only Churchtown but around as well. So we try to get around as much as well we can get around to help who we can help. You know, so spread the love, you know, spread the blessing across. I will thank you so much. So we're gonna head downtown to get our chef mother a mattress, you know, and come back and give her some donation as well to, and also Miss Dassa.
Cheese.
As well too.
Cheese.
And we have cheese.
One team, one dream.
That is it. Junior, we have Mother Teresa here.
I extended family.
And we have Esther Bumble over there. You know. Whoa, chef.
Yeah, whoa.
Come over, come.
Twice, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man. It's a party, man. Yeah, man.
Yes, so let's hit the road.
How you feel? chain. No chain. Chain now. Yes, you can know, but let me check it out.
Back to back. Oh, chef, see that one here. Look on this. What do you think? Eh?
It's 90s.
You want firmer one? That one is good. Yeah?
Alright, man. I use that one.
Let's say I work with this one.
Yeah, man. I work with
Bring it out. Bring it out. Bring it out. Yeah. Here, most of the string see me over yesterday. See, does he care? Here, that's for the string. Okay. Yeah. Workout, yes, to the advantage. Still have them.
Hold one side.
What's my head? Alright, lock it down first.
Yes. Downtown is empty, so downtown closed early today. Guys, downtown closed early today. So everything we here early. Go, chef. I'm gone. Nah, lens. What type of one? Huh?
Shane!
Mark!
Still alive?
Nah, still alive. Listen, Mark, put on weight here.
Yeah, come back.
Mark, put on weight and come back. See that? When Mark Lee there was a slim guy. Mark come back and lift weights. Yeah.
Damage for the people, man.
Yeah. This guy, yeah.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
When that belly dead, so. God? No.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm good. Of course the camera on. Camera is on already. Move your hand and take video. Take video. Go somewhere. Eh? Keeping cake here. I'm coming for free cake.
Okay, of course.
Move your hand from my video.
The camera on.
Here. Yeah. Oh boy, there's a. Oh, sorry that one. What's your fence here? It's close. Behind you. Everywhere is close. Close call. Wow. Behind you.
Ready?
Oh, wala. Oh, siya come. Siya come sa biki. You can go on then man, cause little bring it like you're up on a rush. Oh, you're up on a, see how you. Come open the door, Miss Valerie.
Yeah, good morning.
Oh, how you doing? Morning. Who? Jackie?
Yeah.
Who that?
Jackie lives in Columbus Road, man.
Open the door.
This looks up.
She's breathing hard. Blowing hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, Weeze, take your time. I chew it a walk. She was walking.
They go take me out 1 week before Flo come fix back my Wi-Fi, you know.
Go and sit down.
What's your push? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, take it off.
Take it off.
There is no phone.
So that later.
No, you're not from pump if you come on the light.
Come on, light. Come here on the light.
Oh, there's no light in there.
Go up in the window.
Fly the window.
Yeah, okay. Oh, there's a light. Come, hold it. Mommy, you have to get up. Move your hand. And come out with it. Move your hand from your face. Come. We'll bring it up. Bring it out. Bring it out.
Put it down here.
I'll put it on the side. Come, excuse. Come, Teresa. Make Teresa come be with it. Come on, baby. Yeah, wheeze. Yeah, really a wheeze hard.
Yeah.
Oh, she have asthma?
Yeah.
So, she have a pump?
She used to fit in them pump. You should get one pump for that time.
Oh, okay. Was it finished now?
No, she's supposed to have one on there now.
So where is it? Where's your pump?
She not walk with it on a candy.
Let me know.
I go for your pump.
Yeah, go for the pump. She have wheeze hard. Hurry up. Oh, yeah. You fast. You. Hello? Alright, go on.
Oh, Tiffany.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you have sheet already, well?
Yes.
You have sheet for it, right?
Yes. This.
Alright,
You must have sheet on the Bible on the yard. I have sheet on it. I ask Tiffany and them to come back. Sheet on it. Oh, TV in that place. The whole thing man go pack up my place. Yeah, man, you see me I say?
Yeah, man,
So
so...
next, me have to go run the line.
Yeah, so we have to give thanks to Garden.
I can deal with it for me.
We have to give thanks to Garden.
Garden.
Yeah,
Garden.
for the mattress.
Only for blessing and thank you very much, you know.
Yes.
The mattresses, isn't it? Come on.
Yeah.
Man, can't get the place clean if you know and deal with it.
Yeah. So we give thanks to Garden from the USA.
God from the USA. Blessing only for love and thank you very much, you know.
Yeah, my name is Garden from the USA. So thank you so much for the mattress. Take that time, man.
And thank you very much for the mattress in the garden.
Yeah.
Holy for blessing. Thank you very much, you know. Enough love, man.
Yeah. So we'll go outside here because we have to
Yes, get this out clean.
So guys, as I can see,
PO thing the money for now. Chi TV the money for you. None of them now.
our husband.
No, not really, man.
Oh, not our husband. Yes, guys, as you can see, this is Miss Valerie condition. You know, this is how she is living. You know, as I always said it, it's a Trenchtown. There is so much need inside of here, especially for the elders. Right, there is so much need in here, especially. So this was the mattress that was on the bed, as you can see. She alright? Oh, the chair there. You want to go back out there, sit down?
I'll go back on, man. Tiffany comes back.
Are you going back over there?
Yeah.
Alright, so the mattress is on the bed now.
Yeah. Thank you.
You get the pump?
Yeah. Yeah.
You get the pump already?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. Feel better now, right?
Yeah, come on.
Okay. Can you look on your mattress? Are you going to close the door?
No, man, what look on the mattress?
Look on your mattress.
Put them where they're going to do it.
Thank you.
Like it? More firm.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Alright then, you gotta feel much better now. At least you can feel less pressure on your back. Take your time.
Thank you.
So we give thanks to Garden as well. Thank you so much, Garden from the USA, for purchasing this mattress from his Valerie. You know, we thank him so much. You know, it's been a blessing. It's been a blessing. Boy, baby in a belly. Oh Lord. Baby in a belly. So his Valerie I lock up now. It close? Whoa! Okay. Come close this fair then. This one fixed.
Yeah, lock it.
Come lock it.
Yeah, lock it. Come put on the awesome staple for you.
Yeah. Awesome staple one change. Go on this bed.
Yeah, I saw to come put it on.
If mine put out a look on that.
She need to come put it. He need to come put it on, but him say him not get no time yet.
Oh.
Yeah, put it on.
And the friends can fix it. What can happen?
She can look at if them get the bathroom right here, Sophia.
Alright, whoa. Miss Valerie. Yeah, so we should sit down right there, son.
Come. If I get something. Come. She go on. She not have no, so sit down for me. Now go on.
Yeah, come to one get 2 donation.
2 donation.
Come
bring her go on my yard this son.
Well, you want to be the baby godmother?
Eh? And your great granny.
And you wicked Samaya, now your granny.
What is?
Jesus Christ. For me, granny, godmother, hey, Maya, your bad.
Birthday, birthday, big carol.
Then she never did Africa bring her and feed for her birthday.
Yes.
When I got baby, September, when I got baby.
I'm near volleyball.
You should have bought,
Near volleyball, 23rd.
Diamond black it up, show the boat in there.
Show what behind
I said, Diamond lock it up, come show the boat there.
And the man bathroom here look at same bathroom.
Is that a bathroom over there?
Yeah, Diamond a build it.
And Ian bathroom there, sir.
Alright.
This one for the trade is
Where you go? Tired. So, you didn't do the. They say about the MRI.
Cherry, Ocean, did you get the paper? Did you check it out?
No, I got ask him later, sorry.
I'm going to see them. Telephone she. No, our boyfriend. Our boyfriend. Up as poo school meeting we are going later.
Alright, what's it?
Yeah, 5:30 them said start.
I still about to say that. Alright, Miss Valerie. So, I'm Mr. Worship for the tank Garden from the USA for the mattress from Miss Valerie, you know.
Thank you, Garden.
Thank you.
Garden.
Thank you.
Alright, then, so I have some donation to help out the situation.
Yeah.
You know. Go on, through. Yeah, we can help out. So, the pump, like a shop asthma, yeah? A pump, it says finished?
How far pump me just get all of a pile of pump?
Oh.
Pump.
We do a tray, no, a tray pump my arm.
Yeah, she's supposed to can use the pit in them pump. Cause that we just get
Maya, call that the phone and tell him to blend 2 spoons cleaner, please.
Oh, so she have to buy a pump then?
Yeah.
Alright then, so we have some donation for you as well, okay?
We are going to
Yes, we have to Esther, come here. Come on. Alright, so our chef, for your mom, we have $15,000 a year from Anonymous. Yeah, so you have $15,000 a year from Miss Valerie from Anonymous.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And
Anonymous.
Anonymous. Anonymous.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for the 15,000.
Yeah. Wow, chef.
Yeah, man.
Anonymous.
Anonymous, thank you very much. Blessed, you know, help out our situation, get our pump and look at things she want to do.
Yes. Alright, so also when I donation as well too. So currently this watch we have $14,000 from one of my subscribers.
Before the eye.
$14,000 from, so the person want to known as one of my subscribers.
One of my subscribers, thank you very much, yeah. Blessed love, holy for love, you know.
Thank you. Thank you. God is the best part today. But que tiene.
Alright, so we have another one as well too. This is from Wayne. Wayne is a man, he's originally from Trenchtown as well. So, yeah, he's an original man from Trenchtown, but he lives in West Virginia, not the US. Yeah, so we have $8,000 a year for you, Miss Valerie.
Yeah.
$8,000 from Wayne. Wayne, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So, we also have another one as well too from this person is a YouTuber as well too. Her name is NK, so guys, so you can check out NK Travel as well too. She's also a YouTuber. You can check out her YouTube channel, it's called NK Travel. You know, and she sent $9,000 as well too for you. So count as well, 9,000. NK Travel.
MK Travel.
Yeah, NK.
NK Travel.
Yeah.
Only for blessing, enough love, you know. Respect, you know.
Yeah, no,
Thanks. She can't talk much, through the strokes that she get no kind of, you know.
Yeah.
This man could thing, brother.
Thank you
very much, man. Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Alright then, so I also have $100 US from Pat from Florida. So this is $100 US from Pat
from Florida.
From Florida. Pat
from Florida.
Pat from Florida.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Then, so at least now that's the donation that we have now for her. So hopefully that can help out the situation, you know, by looking at some medication and
Tiffany,
get the pump and them stuff.
Pump. Tiffany, the medication, the pump, and the thing we want to leave. So, sheet, I buy sheet. Suppose I have sheet in a barrel in there, you know. You have sheet in there. Now,
Sheet inside a barrel.
I'm supposed to have sheet in a sofa barrel in there, man.
Alright, take care, yeah, Miss Valerie.
Remember,
Yeah.
Tiffany.
Thank you.
Candy, Tiffany, and them a little thing for you, so just the them just, she shot, yeah, just remember medication. Yeah. He's in. Yeah, man. Well, so. Yeah.
Fix the bag.
Well, the next thing we have an eye doctor, Kino, the 15.
Yeah.
She go do the she go the eye doctor, and then when she go to the doctor in March, she go back to a regular doctor now. So she get to check up, get the next set of medication. Now 1 year, and the whole of them she get. She get some and some with her fee go buy, cause them say none never did here. So I hopefully we get the rest of medication we just get. And things. So when we go to the eye doctor, we make know from the so what them say about it. Cause she have to do that. If them say she have to do a search upon the eye, we have to go. We have to go make know about it and things and know what is what from this. So
alright, no problem then.
Yeah, but as soon as you come, we get the prescription and we get the paper and what is what. We just make record and make get them and see them and know what to do. Yeah.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, thanks.
Alright, so I want to give thanks to all our extended family. Thank you so much for donating. You know, as I said, we don't really say donors, we say extended family. So I want to thank you so much for the donation, for Miss Valerie, and also Garden as well for the mattress. You know, thank you so much for reaching out. You know, when you hear the plead, and I thank you so much. It means a lot. God blessing. You know, open up food basket will never go empty. You know, Almighty will blessing in 12-fold. You know, so thank you so much for helping me supporting the people that's in need. You know, here. So we're gonna head to Miss Dasa. You know, head to Miss Dasa. Rosa Rose. Now, not wearing nobody clothes. Rosa. Rosa. Rosa Rose. Yes.
Yeah, them foreigner.
Yeah, me and the foreigner. Esther foreigner. Daddy is foreigner.
Russia, them come from?
Russia. Where you come from? Russia?
Alright.
Yeah, and Israel. Rosa, any new tune? What the public can look for?
No right here, no.
Oh, what about the Corona one?
Oh, it'll go on.
It'll go on.
We work on that.
Alright.
Next time you pass through.
Alright then. So next time you pass through, you have something for them, right?
Wonderful.
Because it's been a while, let me hear something from Rosa Rose.
I remember, you know. Yeah, remember, you know, Valentine.
Yeah. Nothing more being Valentine.
Rosa, who you Rosa, you wanted for your Valentine?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, this is what Rosa wants for his Valentine.
Nothing more being Valentine.
Rosa.
This you want for your Valentine? What size you wear? Extra small?
They got it for you.
Your size there, man.
Alright, hey, Rosa, that's what he want for his Valentine. You can see him tonight. And tell him. Alright, so head to Rose. Yeah, I bring it already. Yesterday. Day before.
One we get first. Remember the first one,
Damage. Yeah,
because I get mad, you know, because I want to get mad and go out for it. I want to bridging. I have a remote one.
Yeah.
I must have money to ship it out.
Oh.
Remember that last time I did the shipping?
Yeah.
Yo, lock up. Turn off that.
Turn on music, yeah. Yes, guys, so we're here by Miss Dasa. You know, the music.
Here. Next baby this is.
Okay. Okay.
That's evening.
Let me get a link, you get me? It's been a while though. You never see me.
Yes, how is everything?
Everything is okay.
Stop shit there, man. Stop there, man.
Smiling more today. Smiling more.
Always a smile.
Oh, you're on the wheelchair holding up.
Well, going out yesterday,
Yeah. Feel good?
Yeah.
Get some fresh air.
Yeah.
That's
But
nice.
them not carry me out tomorrow.
Tomorrow you go.
As long as from once me there work, from come here, I go out when she want to go out.
Yeah.
Nothing can stop that.
You get some fresh
Everybody
air.
tell me about rain. You want to bring her out to make some rain droop on her too.
Yeah, true. And you want kind of ice up her foot off of the ground.
Yeah. Me always make
Put something.
no,
to it.
the pan there, them always ice her foot. She always ice her foot.
Want to get something I can stretch.
But them call the river.
Once the time, one trip to you.
River? Which river?
Want to go a river?
Put a rock.
Rockfort.
Which river that?
The hot water sitting.
Right.
Oh, it's at St. Thomas.
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas.
Bath fountain.
Bath fountain.
Yeah.
You know how much people are come tell themselves to carry me down there.
You got a bath
So
fountain.
you want to get a trip out there?
Yeah, I want to get a trip go
I forgot to organize that with Bobby.
Yes.
Make you get a trip out there. Get
Can go out here a couple times as well too.
yeah.
Good water, good beer.
Yeah man, very good. The eating
Stop
water.
shit, yeah. Talk to you.
The eating water really good out there.
Yeah, and go shake so such shakes.
Because we them before go, and we have to bring her man strength as well to carry her for go lift her up and bring her
Yeah.
as well
To
too.
do that.
Because if you do the man them, some of the man them out there, them always do that, you know. But you know, they come with a cost.
But the family, you right to be a family member, go out there to do it.
Yeah. That's nice still if you bring her out there, you know. Feel out water really hot still, and that's even though them that dilute it to
Yeah,
your.
them have the rock them. And
Yeah.
they hold them fair.
The hotness, me not afraid of it.
Yeah, afraid of it.
Because I can't just go out there and take it to wash my face.
Yeah.
Why is it not hot for burn me?
Yeah, no, it's not gonna burn you, but it does hot, but it's out there is really good, you know.
Yeah, people talk about it, some want to go prove it.
Yeah.
We have to make you go out there, man. Don't worry yourself, man. From wrong as me the wrong in there, you have to go make it move. and make it.
Yeah.
And as I said, the people who send the wheelchair, we give thanks to it, you know, you get me?
Yeah.
And the food basket never empty, you see. And Keenan always do the good. See, good where you do the good. Yeah, when you do the good, little, the good always a follow.
Yes.
And nobody can stop this, you know. God have him as a fair purpose. And me I tell them every day we tell them that, don't matter.
Yeah.
See, more time when she tell me say, when I see the chair, me surprised, you know. I say it to clean up, and I say me that will get back to me. So it really work. You get my mother, the man be murdered. You see, because I forget some, but hold on.
When me see my COVID, it me
Smile, yeah. Yeah, smile because it's a joy.
Yeah, man, that's right, man. So I also have some donation here for you as well to Miss Dasa. You know, you can help out the situation. You know, so the police alright, so we have this person now is an original man, you know, Ali from Trenchtown.
Yeah.
I'm living in West Virginia now.
Original man from Trenchtown.
Yeah, we used to go to Trenchtown school as well. The
live in West what?
Virginia. The name Wayne. You know, yeah, original man. This time send 10,000 for Miss Dasa.
Wayne, original Wayne from Trenchtown School. Big up yourself, you know, Wayne, and give thanks to the token for my mother, you know.
Mr. Wayne,
Yeah.
I give you thanks, give you praise, glory. I am from Trenchtown.
Yeah.
Born and grew in Trenchtown, go Trenchtown school. So we are all from one place.
One place.
Yes.
Original.
I thank you very much for your donation.
Definitely.
May God ever continue to bless you.
Yeah.
Keep and guide you.
Yes, so we give thanks to Wayne, original
Give
man.
thanks to Wayne, you know.
From Trenchtown, you know. Live in West Virginia.
Live in West Virginia. Just go and big up yourself, you know, Wayne, and we do the good work. Kino do the good work, so Glad to see the team there said speed and feature my mother said way because it don't stop, you know.
Yes.
It's a journey, like, you know, still a carry on, you know.
Same way.
And him not stop, I say him there like young trip.
All about.
We all about, you know, all over the globe there, guys. Actually, you think if it's set that way there, it's set that way there. You get me, you know. And may your food basket never empty. Your blessing that flow like a river.
Yes, sir.
I care when nobody wants it. Because my mother, she talk about it every day. Also, Pablo,
yes,
she talk about the man every day. My people might not see me on the program, but my heart, they do. You get me? And my chain or my gym team, it depends on my Bible. You see, so. For real, Keen, I'm glad to see that I do this thing the same way and it no stop. You see? So I'm over that side there, I monitor some local pitting in the pool because my brother-in-law have a pool, so I monitor some local pitting in the pool. So we did jump round. So when I'm there over here, so over there, so when I'm there now, like when you call me, I have to reach you, so.
Yes, sir. So we have another 15,000 a year.
Yeah.
From Anonymous from Boston. The one remain anonymous. So we have 15,000 from Anonymous from Boston.
15,000 from Anonymous from Boston. You get me? Anonymous. Your respect gone way over some of the which part of land, and may your food basket never empty.
Thank you very much.
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
We don't want him, like the person who want know him because who will be that close friend of us, you know. You get me, you know. You could be a close friend of us. So Anonymous, just go and big up yourself, you know. Alice, heart I love you.
Thank you very much.
Holy man.
So we give thanks. And we have $100 a year for you, Miss Dasa. From Pat from Florida.
Pat from Florida.
Yes. 100 US, yeah.
Pat from Florida. 100 US. Pat from Florida. May your food basket never empty. Pat from Florida, you get me? My mother give thanks for it. Pat from Florida. My mother say much love. Talk to Pat. Tell Pat thanks for the 100 US.
Pat, I give you all the praise, glory, may your store basket
never
empty.
Yeah.
And I hope to see you one day.
Yeah.
To say this is Pat.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
I give you all thanks.
And I see things, you know what, one of the reasons why I'm left Ghana or in a bridge, because my time come from a fucking fly out anytime, but nah, I cut the from mother bridge. Just there. Just there with my mother.
True.
Because I'm coming and she tell me a little talk, say, yo, she want to go home. She now want to go now home.
Yeah, because
we have too much around her, but she not see me. It's when she see me, her strength is, you know.
Yeah.
Believe you me, my mother. And she see me, her strength is, nobody can go around her. From me there. From me there, she said she want to go out there, so she could have done something look more and I put her out there.
Yes,
when me put her out there, I tell you, somebody else carry her, they have to do that. We have to set it away there.
Yeah, sure.
So that's why I don't want to go nowhere left her. You see? Because she has my strength.
True.
And she tell me to read my Bible every day. I do that, kid. I hear what you say I go in the communities. People have it some Ghana friend, but my day I see me with that. You see? I'm like the work where you still a karaoke, you know. So it don't stop you, so, you know. You see? No care who come off a board, jump off a board, gone overboard, and me still there with the team. They are seeing me, brother. You get me? And may I tell you, and you might not know, we help me love you in a key in a bridge, because you do a good work, and the place is just nice. You know, the place nice. We see it, you know. You see it? And it's a key part, because we don't own our same way. You see it?
Yes, of course, man.
And the program fit, because I ride around there a while ago, and I have to see you sing up on the bike. So I just come across and I say, Kina, you call me. So I just come across. You see it? So give thanks to the token for her, because when I get my little pay, because I hate you, I have to stretch it give them, so I have to buy her a pamper, so she have money we can do her thing. You see it? Turn over what she want, because she eat. My mother, she eat a lot, you see it? And she have to just do her thing.
Yeah, of course.
You see it? Now the money I go place in the next sister and where I do the maths, because maths have to do. You see?
Yeah, man.
I also may tell you say, Big up to everybody who support the thing.
Yes.
Many thanks to each and everyone.
And may on the food basket never empty.
Food basket never empty.
May the Lord bless them and keep them.
Continue to bless you, guide you and protect you.
God bless you, man. You know, God bless you. And hope your wish will come true one day where you got bad fountain.
Yeah, you can get up and move.
Yeah,
move
warm water on your skin, you know.
And stop shake. And you start do your thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So she getting a medical?
Yeah, my sister get her heart pill them on them. So.
Oh, she has a heart pill thing. Okay.
Get her thing them on check up.
Yeah. Okay then. Alright then, you're Mr. Dasa, so
alright then.
I will keep looking out for you and hopefully, you know.
Yes.
Continue to pray for you and hope for the best, you know, because as I say, you touch a lot of people, you know, touch a lot of heart. So that's why I'm going to always have you in their prayers, same way, you know, because you touch a lot. And just continue to work strong like what you've been doing, yeah?
Yeah.
And yeah, man, until next time. Alright then, so Ali.
Big up. Heart of love in a key,
yeah, man.
One love in a straight.
That is it.
Mother, make Chicha call it them. Here?
Yes, Babette book the line.
Babette book the line?
Yeah, call Babette to me.
Yeah. Come on, first. Ali. Yeah, man, just always keep her foot off of the ground.
Yeah.
From in the
That's
ground.
thing that's something I should always put there.
You know, like something where you can see a stretch out.
Aye.
Got too high.
This is the one here where you have this cup.
Or something where you could have stretched out her foot. Or
yeah.
Too high.
Too high. Too high. No, I'll take on my foot, it a pain me.
Yes.
It's a pain and fear that, you know. Well, you have to get rid of.
Get something like what you can. You know, like when she lie down on the bed and her foot and stretch out.
Yeah.
Something on the level there where she can just recline.
Yeah. Because it's her foot now, her foot did go down, you know. The swelling did go down.
Yeah.
Then she eyes it up on this, but she did that down that side there.
Yeah, on the bed. So
yeah. When she step on the bed and it cock up, it's the swelling go down.
Yeah.
So she should always want to sit down and sit down.
She wants the sunlight. She wants to see the sunlight.
Put back that over yourself.
Which my Babette there? Give me them. Alright, I'll give her them.
Alright, then you're hungry?
Huh?
Finish up. Oh.
Yeah, man, call him kind of long time to black up, you know. I'm going to all alone, black up.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, that's
Yes guys, so thank you so much for supporting Miss Dasa. You know, thank you for the donation, you know, for helping out our situation, you know. So as you can see, the situation here in Trenchtown is not pretty, you know, sticky. You know, it's not, as you can see. Sometimes, as I said, sometimes when you're watching Key Life in Jamaica, sometimes you get the joy, you got the adventure, and sometimes you get a bit of sadness, you know. So it's all season, mix up season. You know, watching Kino is all well seasoned, paprika all purpose down, you know. So just always look out for it. Today you will smile, tomorrow cry, next day you laugh, you know. Artists, man, and school, man. You want to mix it up. Yeah, man, guys. So that's how it is, you know. rock, can't watch that. Trenchtown rock with big fish and sprat. Trenchtown rock, reap what you sow. Yeah, so we're here now to see Felicia, Felicia with the girl with the kidney problem, so we got a donation for her, so. Hello! So we're just gonna drop off this donation for her as well too, while we're on this journey, same way of helping out the less fortunate and the needy here in Trenchtown. Well, let's see what's going on here. How you doing? You pull out. Your brothers and sister? Cousin. Your god brother. And your cousin. Hi Phil, how you doing? You say energize up now? Okay. Feeling much better? Yeah. Okay. So when is dialysis again? This weekend? Today. Oh, you went today?
Yeah.
Oh, you just take it off? Oh. So today you don't feel so bad?
No, I feel so weak.
Okay. So sometime it happens then?
Yeah.
Okay. See, I come the right time because I probably come I wasn't going to be here. You just come?
No, good one.
Oh, good one. Okay, so at different time when you go to get the time?
For Wednesday, I go first shift, so I reach back at 12 o'clock.
Okay.
But on Saturday, I go evening shift, so I reach back at 5 o'clock. Yeah, 6 o'clock in the morning.
Now you get the first shift, so you go home earlier. Alright then. So I have a donation here for you because like I'm in the area. I have a donation here for you. From Wayne. Wayne is an original Trenchtown man, He used to live in Trenchtown as well too. Now he's living in West Virginia. So we have $10,000 a year for you from Wayne. Himself, yeah.
Oh, thanks to Wayne. Thanks.
From the US.
From the US. Full basket of orange.
Alright then, so we give thanks to Wayne for reaching out to Felicia. It's Felicia data.
Yeah.
Alright. Hello.
Stop.
You get shy now. Yes, alright then Felicia, let's go and take it easy and go and do the right thing same way, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then, so hopefully we'll see you again very soon, right?
Yeah. Thanks everybody.
Alright then. Bye bye. Alright guys, so we'll give thanks. Alright, thank you so much again, Wayne. Thank you for blessing Felicia. Thank you so much. So we're gonna end down now, so it's been a long day, it's been up and been down. Match. Alright, you feeling the cool breeze? Feeling the cool breeze? Nice. Cold front, a cold back.
Cold front.
It's cold back.
Now my tall sleeve.
Yes. Then it's in our work clothes. Yes guys, so thank you so much for watching Key Life in Jamaica. You know it goes already. Please smash the like button whenever you're watching. Yo Shamari, what go on man? You tell me the other day, man. Come on man. So there's one at Trenchtown educating students them right now.
Students, Students,
Not students anymore.
In
past student know enough. I see him in shirt without the tie, without the jacket. So he's a big boss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no name on.
There's no name. There's a big boss. That's for Trenchtown.
Yes. So
what go on? I know I'm still waiting, man. You keep on say that, guys. This man is a big boss, big general for Trenchtown. You see him in suit. Him keep on promise me. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing crepe. Some UK they call it trainers.
You know, I promise.
And I promise, I'm on him shoes.
It's not a promise, that's all.
Alright then. Alright guys, so him father is watching enough. Dickie Choice, I hope you're watching. Right? So Dickie Choice, so go on. Right, Dickie Choice, so that is that. Yes guys, so remember stay tuned and don't forget to put the thumbs up when you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica. I would thank you so much for supporting Kino and the Dream Team, you know, for what we're doing here in Trenchtown. So guys, so that concludes for today, and it means a lot for helping out so much, you know. Oh, that hiding behind the walls of Jericho. Yeah, you know. Oh, wow. Yeah, me here a long time.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.